Hey guys, today I'm going to test a metal tumbler. So you've seen me using the white one. So today we're going to just see how this compares to a white one in the exact same design. So I've got a design here and I'm just going to show you this piece of it. And we're just going to see what it looks like compared to when it's printed on the white one. It might be really similar. That's actually what I'm hoping. And then that way you can kind of think about how to use it, like how to use the metal to be a really cool accent. But today I'm just gonna cover the whole thing because I wanna see what happens. Okay, that was like unwrapping presents. So I made mistakes. This is the second time I've done these tumblers. So 3 of them turned out great. The colors are fantastic. They worked out great. Let me show you where I made the mistake. And I'm gonna remake these, but here's my tumbler for me. Okay, it's really cute. It's upside down, you guys. So you should pay attention. I did that to this other one as well, you guys. Look how cute it is. And I did it upside down. So I've got 2 unusable ones. That's okay. I'm gonna try it again with the silver and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done with them all together. Oh my God, goodness, this is not what I was expecting. So this was done on the aluminum silver one. It's so crazy. I love this one. Once again, I made a mistake on it, but it's the right side up, which is the good news. Oh my gosh, look how cool that is. Okay, so this was the 2 done with the aluminum metal stainless steel look. And then these were the 2 done on the white. So it just really depends on the look that you're trying to get. These are the ones I screwed up, remember? I did them upside down and I don't have 2 more white ones. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try them on these metal ones. So I'm gonna bring them up close so you can tell the difference. We'll turn these the right side up so you can kind of see. But I think this is a really cool way to kind of get a different look. So tell me below in the comments if you've done both of these. I'm really, really liking both looks and I'm not totally sure how I'm going to move forward, like what else I'm gonna do. I also have some sparkly ones, so maybe I'll try it on that as well. If you are liking all of these projects I'm doing, please make sure and subscribe to the channel. I would love to give you more fun videos just to mess around and see how it all goes, and I will see you guys